Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 23. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, augury. Friends, augury means a sign of what will happen in the future. Its Hindi meaning is आभास या फिर संकेत. Now look at its sentence. These sales figures are a good augury for another profitable year. Its synonym is omen. Now look at the next word, bounty. Bounty means money paid as a reward. In Hindi you can say uphaar. Now look at its sentence. They paid $5 bounty for dogs. Its synonym is prize or award. The next word that I have for you is bearing. Friends, bearing means relation. In Hindi you can say sambandh. Now look at its sentence. Regular exercise has a direct bearing on fitness and health. Its synonym is connection. The next word is confiscate. Friends, confiscate means taken or seized with authority. Its Hindi meaning is jabt karna. Now look at its sentence. The teacher confiscated all cell phones. Its synonym is seize. The next word is choleric. Friends, choleric means bad-tempered or irritable. Its Hindi meaning is gussal. Now look at its sentence. He was a choleric, ill-tempered man. Its synonym is cantankerous. The next word is berserk. Repeat after me, berserk. It means out of control with anger. In Hindi it is gussa. Now its sentence. When they tried to arrest him, he suddenly went berserk. Its synonym is insane or enraged. The next word is amok. Friends, amok means behave uncontrollably. It means aape se bahar. Now look at its sentence. Some drunken students had run amok in the college. Its synonym is rampage. The next word that I have for you is attenuate. Attenuate means reduced in force, effect or value. Its Hindi meaning is kamzor karna ya fir kam hona. Now look at its sentence. The fat girl was attenuated by hunger. Its synonym is weakened or reduced. The next word that I have for you is accentuate. Accentuate means to stress a particular feature of something. Its Hindi meaning is zor dalna. Now look at its sentence. The photograph seemed to accentuate his large nose. Its synonym is emphasize. Last but not least is avarice. It means extreme greed for wealth. Its Hindi meaning is lalach. Now look at its sentence. Avarice blinds our eyes. Its synonym is meanness. Now it's time for the question of the day, friends. So the question is, what is the synonym of bad-tempered? A. Bearing, B. Choleric, C. Augury, D. Berserk? Give me answer of this question in comment box.